Hi, in one of the previous episodes we talked about how to be in control of the boundary between work and personal life. It is important to disconnect and recharge now and then. Today though, I will talk about how I manage to stay in control of my ever-growing task list. A lot of work comes my way via my mailbox. This is probably the case for most of us. The first thing I need to do is to filter out the important communication. To help you do that, I use focused inbox. I open Outlook, I go under View, select the Show Focused Inbox, and now I can see two tabs, Focused and Other. The most important emails are on the Focus tab, and the rest of them in the Other tab. If, for instance, I don't find this weekly digest email as being super important, I can always right-click it and send it to the Other tab. The system learns how you use your inbox and starts sorting incoming emails automatically. If you feel that an email landed in the Other tab by mistake, you can always right-click it and select Move to Focused. Once I've done this, I need to keep track and prioritize the work items themselves. What I usually do is flagging emails to follow up by clicking this button here. Every time something important comes in, I flag it. To then see a list of flag items, I go in Outlook under View, click the To-Do bar button and select Tasks. You will notice on the right side that the taskbar will appear. What you can also do is select the Filter Email button from the Home tab and then select the Flag Email option. This basically will show all your flagged emails in your inbox folder. We can see that I received emails asking me to help out with a presentation, renew a subscription, informing me of a bookings calendar that I created, and so on. I somehow need to make sure that I stay on top of all these items. To prioritize them, I use color codings. I select the email, I right-click it, select a category, and then give it a color. Red is super urgent for me. Yellow is important but not that urgent. Green is neither urgent nor that important. This is the color scheme I selected. Of course, you can choose your own. You can see that now I have a good overview of the order in which I need to handle the tasks. To make coding even easier, you can assign shortcut keys. Right-click an email, select Categorize, go to all categories, and assign a shortcut key to the color you're using the most. For me, Ctrl plus F3 is green, plus F4 is yellow, plus F5 is red. This will, by the way, help you also organize meetings in your calendar. If you look at your non-color-coded calendar, you won't be able to get a good view of what's important and what's not important to you. But if you color code them, check out the difference. Now, with Teams being used by more than 145 million users, more and more customers are using Planner to assign tasks. Planner is an application that can be added to a Teams channel to aid with task management during a project. So, if I'm a member of multiple teams that have such plans, I obviously will get tasks assigned to me. That leaves me in a situation where I have to manage not only my own tasks, but the ones that were assigned to me and are scattered around different teams and channels. In my demo, I am a member of Project Titanium and Sales Team. These teams both have channels with Planner added to them. I now get two tasks assigned to me in each of these planners. How do you manage all of these? Well, we have an application called Microsoft To-Do. It is available both in mobile and desktop version and aggregates all your personal and team assigned tasks into one single place. You can see the flagged emails, which are the ones that we flagged earlier in Outlook, and the ones that have been assigned to you in Teams. Here you can manage your tasks by creating lists. In my example, I'll create a list for administrative tasks and another one for customer-related activities. Then we can drag and drop tasks into these lists. When these lists become overwhelmingly large, you can select the tasks you want to focus on today and add them to the My Day section. This way, you have a good overview of what you need to accomplish on this day. Now, if you tick one task as completed, it gets marked as such in your Outlook if it's a flagged email, and in Teams if it's a planner-related task. The same To-Do application can be added to Teams. Select the three dots, search for the application tasks by Planner and To-Do. It gives you a similar view of the To-Do app that we demoed earlier, but also shows you the teams that have planners attached to them and that you're a member of. You can manage the tasks in a similar way from the Teams window if you prefer having everything under one single application. I hope you liked today's episode. If you master these quick tips about managing tasks, it will be far easier for you to stay in control of the constantly increasing workload. Let me know in the comments what you think, and see you next time.